Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Podcast Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Zach.
Hello, Zach. Hi, everyone. I'm Zoe. I was just thinking about something funny that happened to me last week.
Oh, really? I love funny stories. What happened?
I got stuck in an elevator.
No way. Are you serious?
Yes, 100% serious. I was stuck inside for almost 30 minutes.
Oh, wow. That is scary. And also, maybe a little funny now.
Now it is funny, but at that moment, it was not funny at all. My heart was beating so fast.
I can imagine. Elevators are small. You cannot move much. So tell us everything from the beginning.
Okay, so last Tuesday, I was at work. I work on the 8th floor of my office building. It was a normal day. I was tired. It was around 6 p.m. I just wanted to go home.
That is already a bad start. When you're tired, everything feels worse.
Exactly. So I walked to the elevator. I pressed the button. The doors opened. I walked in. There were two other people inside, a man and a woman. We smiled politely, like strangers do.
The quiet elevator smile?
Yes, that one. No one talks. Everyone looks at the numbers going down.
That is so true in America. Nobody talks in elevators.
So the doors closed. The elevator started moving down. Everything was normal. Then, suddenly, it stopped.
Just stopped?
Yes, between the 5th and 4th floor.
And the lights flickered.
Oh no, when the lights flicker, that is never good. I know, the elevator made a strange sound, like clunk, then silence.
What did you do?
At first, we all just looked at each other. No one said anything. Then the man laughed nervously and said, "I guess we're not going anywhere."
That nervous laugh.
Yes, I tried to stay calm. I told myself, it's okay, elevators are safe, someone will help.
That is smart. Staying calm is important.
Then the woman pressed the open door button many times, but nothing happened.
Of course, that never works.
Then I pressed the emergency button.
Did someone answer?
After about 10 seconds, yes. It felt like 1 minute, but maybe it was only 10 seconds. A voice said, "Hello, how can I help?"
That must have felt good.
Yes, a little. We told them we were stuck. They said, "Please stay calm. Help is coming."
Those are good words to hear.
But then something funny happened.
What?
My phone battery was at 2%.
2%? That is the worst time for that.
I know. I wanted to text my sister. I wanted to say, if I disappear, I am stuck in an elevator.
That is dramatic, Zoe.
I know, but when you're in a small box in the air, your mind becomes dramatic.
That is true. When something unusual happens, we imagine crazy things.
Yes, I started thinking, what if we are here for hours?
That is scary.
But then we started talking.
Oh, really? So the quiet elevator became a talking elevator.
Exactly. The man said his name was David, the woman said her name was Linda, and I said, "Hi, I'm Zoe. Nice to meet you in this strange situation."
That is actually kind of nice.
It was. We started sharing stories about our worst days, and suddenly we were laughing.
That is amazing. So being stuck brought you together.
Yes, David said one time he got stuck in traffic for 4 hours. Linda said she once locked herself out of her car.
Oh, I did that before.
See? Everyone has a story.
So how did you feel after some time?
Honestly, after about 10 minutes, I felt calmer. We were talking, the air was fine, the lights were on. It was not so bad.
That's a good lesson. Sometimes fear is bigger in our head.
Exactly. But then the elevator moved suddenly.
Oh.
Just a small jump, but we all screamed.
I would scream too.
It moved slowly down and stopped again. Then, after 5 more minutes, we heard voices outside.
The rescue team?
Yes, they opened the doors slowly from the outside.
Were you between floors?
Yes, the elevator was a little lower than the 4th floor, so we had to step up and climb out.
That sounds like a movie scene.
It felt like one. When I stepped out, I felt so happy, like I finished a big adventure.
That is so funny. You just wanted to go home and you got an adventure instead.
Exactly. And the best part?
What?
Now, when I see David or Linda in the building, we always say hello. We're elevator friends now.
That is beautiful. From strangers to elevator friends.
Yes, so sometimes bad moments create good connections.
I love that. And speaking of good connections, if you enjoy these real and funny English stories, please subscribe to English Podcast channel and click the like button.
Yes, please. It helps us a lot. We really want to help more people learn English in a simple and fun way.
And share this episode with your friends. Maybe they're afraid of elevators too.
Or maybe they just need a laugh today.
Exactly.
Zach, have you ever been stuck in an elevator?
Not in an elevator, but I was stuck in a small bathroom once.
What? Tell me.
The door handle broke. I was inside for 20 minutes. I had to call my roommate.
That's worse. At least in an elevator, you're not alone.
That is true. I felt very silly, but after that, I always check the door handle.
So, what did you learn from that?
I learned that small problems feel big in the moment, but later they become funny stories.
That's such a good lesson.
And also, always charge your phone.
Yes, that is the most important lesson.
So, dear listeners, if you ever get stuck somewhere, take a deep breath, stay calm, talk to people. You might make a new friend.
And remember, most problems are temporary. They pass.
Today's takeaway is simple. Life is full of small surprises. Some are scary, some are funny, but almost all of them teach us something.
Yes, and sometimes the scary moment becomes your favorite story later.
Thank you so much for listening to episode 66.
We hope you learned new words, new expressions, and also felt more confident in English.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Stay safe and enjoy the ride.
Hopefully not stuck in one.
Bye.